Yeah, but you can barely see anything.
Let me see. Yeah, that's why.
It's like pointless.
Whoa. Stop biting my shoe. Stop.
Hey, no wonder like that. Oh crap. At
Okay,
least
I got him.
there's no light over here.
No.
Okay, you can't absolutely see nothing.
No. I told you that there's no point in filming it.
Fuck it though.
I think it's gonna stay stuck in the grass.
Hey, what if it goes at me? Like it goes, like you know, destroys.
I'm pointing them like out so that it doesn't do that.
Yep, you can't see shit. Where is it? Oh. Yeah, you both of them at the same time? Sure. Yeah, why not?
Guys, we're gonna do one at a time, right?
No.
Both of them at
Okay, I'm like so scared. And I'm nearly dead. Oh shit.
Okay, one more.
Yay!
Chico.
Untie him?
Untie him.
It's just a blue shot.
Oh,
Wait, I got him.